The unboxing experience reflects PITAKA's design philosophy immediately. The packaging is clean and minimal, presenting the Air case as a precision-crafted accessory rather than a generic protective shell. Inside, the case is the clear centerpiece, and the first impression is striking. It feels impossibly thin. There is no unnecessary foam, clutter, or over-marketing. Everything about the presentation reinforces that this product is meant to disappear into daily life, not compete for attention. From the moment you lift it out, the Aramid weave and matte finish communicate that this is a premium material choice, not plastic gimmick. The PITAKA Air case for iPad Pro 13-inch is one of the most refined, minimalist cases available today. It delivers exactly what high-end iPad users want: ultralight protection, full Magic Keyboard compatibility, premium Aramid fiber durability, and a design so slim you genuinely forget it is installed. It is not built for extreme drops, but for modern daily life, it is one of the cleanest, smartest upgrades you can make to the iPad Pro experience. If your goal is to keep your iPad protected while preserving its thinness, elegance, and keyboard workflow, PITAKA has essentially perfected the category.